Ano pupuntahan natin? House viewing. Yan, 2 minutes, ando na kami. Niningin kami ng bahay.
Double C. I think it's inside the box. Kasi kailangan may exhaust eh.
I was tired of the run. I was done.
Baby day. Fairness. Oo. Oh, may shower to. Ito ang master. Not bad.
Master po tong data.
Oo. Kasi ito siya.
Let's go. Alright, medyo off ang first house. Ano masasabi mo?
Yako.
Hindi mo trip na parang ano?
Hindi, isipin mo kasi, hagdan pa lang dyan sa labas, ang taas na. Pag ang dami mong bit-bit pababa,
O pati pang lilipat ng mga
kawawa ka.
cabinet.
Kaya nga, mahirap.
Lipat tayo sa isa pang bahay. Hanggang sa makakita tayo.
Unang bahay eh.
Pangit ang vibes. Hindi ko na ano. Oh, this is the main. This is the main.
Oh, can we check the ano?
So medyo okay to. Medyo okay to kaysa doon sa una namin napuntahan. Pangapat na bahay. Pangatlo pala. Pangatlo.
Solid ang ano niya. Nakaamoy na ako baka may niluto na.
Nagluto
Felt like a wandering ember. I shone bright when my journey was over. What I sought when I ran.
3 plus basement.
Ang gigising. Kailangan may intercom na kayo.
Oh. How do you,
Is he better for a stand-up shower though? This is old school.
I don't know, how
This
do you
old
take
school
shower
style.
here? Like old school?
Yo! What?
That's the problem. There's no light, eh?
Dark as hell, bro.
Like
way.
old school, like Filipino style, you know? With the tabo. Bilis nyo, na-check nyo na kaagad ah.
Ang tawag dito. Pagpasok mo pala. Yan sa loob.
Hindi pwede dito si Janice yung matatakot na dinalaban.
Oh, wala siyang bed.
Oh my God, there's basement! Akala ko walang basement, may basement. This is
Dito
it.
maganda.
This is it. Oh my God!
Garage.
Line up. Okay, so, let's go next.
Except for the last one.
Sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection. And every money puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. Work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way.
Wait, what? Oh shit.
Grabe to. Ilang pamilya ang kasya dito?
I was old, I was young, I was sitting in the sun. I was tired of the run. I was done. Life was great, life was hard. In a way, an awful card you can't win. The losing hand.
Ang fancy ng ano nila, fancy ng
Stop falling.
hagdanan nila ng
And the
LED.
line on the floor was crawl. And the pain I'd been feeling washed away to return another day.
Oh, okay, this is nice, yeah.
I was cool.
Yeah, number 2 is the bridge.
You can also combine them. Okay,
Thank you.
Guys, are you
Hey,
still
guys.
awake? Yes! Good news, guys! Our offer got accepted. It's conditional. But no matter what, we are the one that's gonna be waiving the condition. So the ball is in our court. Nagulat ako, nagbabibrate. May email na tumunog. Gusto ko lang i-open ang email ko. Tapos sabi nga daw ni Jennifer pero totoo naman talagang pagpasok natin, parang sabi ni Nathan, di ba? Ni Nate, hindi ko nakita yung reaction ninyo na ganyan sa lahat ng pinuntahan natin. Kasi wow.
Okay lang, nagchichika-chika.
So yun guys.
Hindi
Good.
kasi happy.
Okay lang yun din.
So yun guys, good news.
Dito ka, happy.
Na-approve kami dun sa bahay na yung ito, to. Yan.
Sinilip ko yung tao.
Yan, ito, to. Yan. Kahapon lang namin to tiningnan. Wait, is this lock or something? God damn.